So when we look at InsurTech, it's not just steps forward, it's giant steps in a one-way direction. Really exciting, fascinating, and maybe a little bit scary steps, but those steps are going faster and faster. In every industry, all over the world, whatever technology means to someone, it's advancing and it's changing. So as an insurance carrier, advancing our technology at Markel is not only a necessity, but an exciting way to differentiate our products, to become more efficient, to offer more and better products to our broker and MGA partners, and to really have some fun with our products. It all sounds amazing, right? But when we look at the realistic side of technology, it's exciting, efficient, and differentiating, but it's also potentially expensive, takes time, and may create other potential issues we haven't even thought about yet. If we could only snap our fingers and it would be done, on budget, quickly, and without bugs, life would be perfect. But you gotta love reality. So what are some considerations through the process? The end result is really easy to get excited about, but what do we focus on in the meantime? What are we perhaps being distracted from? Do we just focus on figuring out a need and designing that end result and then waiting for it? Or does focusing on adapting the product throughout the process help us end up with the end result that is much more valuable than what we'd planned at the start based on the knowledge that we had at the time? So, one interesting analogy is the Waterfall versus Agile approach that Brad was kind enough to explain for me. His explanation was far better than mine would have been. So basically, Waterfall is sort of that step-by-step approach to software development. This is what you identify your need to be. This is sort of what your end result is going to be and the steps to get there. Where Agile, as he mentioned, is much more flexible, fluid, and you're revisiting it throughout the process. So like anything, there's pros and cons to both methods. But as a general rule, the Agile approach seems to be the more effective one in our very dynamic technological environment these days. And even aside from the technology piece, customer needs are rapidly changing, new products are being developed. And insurers and MGAs need to be able to adapt quickly and effectively to all of that.